When were the fundamental duties incorporated in the Indian Constitution? Answer B. 1976. Who is competent to dissolve the Parliament? Answer B. President. In which of the following year the fundamental duties were inserted in the Constitution? Answer C. 1976. Who prorogues both the House of the Parliament? Answer C. President. Who won the first Olympic medal individually for independent India? Answer A. K.D. Jadhav. Against whom did Sachin Tendulkar score his 100th century? Answer D. Bangladesh. Agriculture shot is related to which sport? Answer D. Cricket. Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai is a famous ground of which sports? Answer B. Cricket. Which first Indian player scored a triple century in Test cricket? Answer B. Virender Sehwag. The list of fundamental duties in the Indian Constitution was added as part of which of the following? Answer C. 4th. In which of the following year were fundamental duties inserted in the Constitution? Answer C. 1976. Welfare state is ordered in the Constitution. Answer C. Directive principle of policy. Which of the following is not an exclusive part of Parliament? Answer A. Vice President. When was the Parliament of India inaugurated? Answer D. 1927. Rainbow Revolution is related to? Answer D. All of these. The largest producer of wheat in India is the state? Answer D. Uttar Pradesh. From which of the following direct tax the government receives maximum revenue? Answer D. Corporation tax. What is the difference between total expenditure and total receipts in the budget figures of the Government of India called? Answer C. Budgetary deficit. The largest producer of cell phones in the world is the country? Answer A. China. Sultan Azlan Shah Cup is related to which sport? Answer D. Hockey. In the modern version of cricket, Supermax cricket, how much time is fixed for each innings of 10 overs of both the teams? Answer B. 45 minutes. Which cricket umpire is popularly known as Great Delay? Answer A. Dickie Bird. Which magazine is called Bible of Cricket? Answer B. Wisden. Which of the following organization give the Kalinga Award? Answer A. UNESCO. Bharat Ratna decoration was first given to whom? Answer C. C. Rajgopalachari. Who has called Panchayati Raj as the school of modern democracy? Answer C. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which US president abolished slavery completely? Answer D. Abraham Lincoln. Who killed Mahatma Gandhi? Answer A. Nathuram Godse. Which of the following is the fastest Indian supercomputer recently developed by ISRO? Answer B. Saga 220.